students. I know during the lockdown you drawn so much drawing and done so much craft. Today I am going to tell you something interesting. Paper snail. So required material is color paper, scissor, Fevicol glue, black sketch pen, color sketch pen. Okay, so let's make start. First, take one color paper and draw one circle. For circle, I using here one bowl. Okay, you can take one bowl and take one pencil and draw the circle like this. Cut this circle. This is perfect circle. Okay, then fold this circle. Fold into half like this. Keep it side. Okay, then we need one more circle. For one more circle we take another color paper and we need one small circle. For small circle I take here one paper cup. You can take any circle or any cap. Do same thing, cut it. See this circle. This circle is little bit small of first circle. Okay. Then take pencil and draw the spiral of small circle. Spiral. After drawn spiral, take one black sketch pen and do the outline of the spiral like this. After done the outline of spiral, take color sketch pen and do the shading like this. I took here dark pink color sketch pen. You can take another color also, like red, brown. After shading, after done this, circle on the folded circle. Okay, like this. Now take some glue. Stick the circle like this. After sticking the circle, take blue paper. Fold this paper and make two small rectangle like this. Same size, two small rectangle like this. Okay, you have to cut. You have to stick rectangle like this. Now take orange color paper and cut two small circle for eyes. Here I have already cut two circles for eyes. Small circle you have to cut like this. Okay. After cutting the circle, you have draw the eyes like this. Circle you have to stick on the rectangle. Now your snail is ready. Students, don't forget to make snail smile.